Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to require email in Google Forms. Now it's very easy. I have this form I created and all you need to do is come here, the top panel, click on settings first, okay? So I've clicked on settings. Now I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see the responses section. If you don't see the other options, just click on this down arrow and here you see collect email addresses, right? So click on this and then we can choose either verified or responder input. Now, if we choose verified, then the respondents will basically be required to sign in with their verified Google account, okay, to be able to input responses to the form. Or you can choose responder input, where they basically manually enter their email address. But whichever the case is, you just go ahead and choose that. I'll choose verified. Okay, as you can see, it is saving and all the changes have been saved. Then you can just go ahead and copy this link and send it to your respondents. So let me show you that I actually captured emails in these ones. Check this out. I have 2 email addresses already. Really that easy and simple.